Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start here because canceling requires the subscription page. Sign into the Xbox profile that owns the Microsoft subscription. Once signed in, open the guide, go to Profile and System, then Settings, then Account and Subscriptions. If you prefer a browser, sign in at your Microsoft Account Services and Subscriptions page. Make sure you can receive the account security email or two-step code, because verification often appears before you can change billing settings. Now pick the subscription you want to cancel. Confirm the plan name and billing account because some bundles share payments. Once selected, choose Manage and then turn off recurring billing or cancel subscription. Xbox shows whether you'll lose access immediately or at period end. Make sure to read the displayed expiration date and any note about refunds or prorated charges. If it offers to switch instead, ignore that and confirm cancellation so you don't get charged next cycle. Finish by confirming the cancellation prompt. Xbox or Microsoft will send a confirmation email, save it or screenshot the final page. Once done, verify your next billing date is removed and that your subscription remains active only until the displayed expiration. If you don't see a cancel option, make sure you're signed into the owning account, not a family member's or child's account, and confirm the payment method owner. If still blocked, contact Microsoft Support with the confirmation details for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.